In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert flowcharts in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Excel's flowchart tools and how to place clear, professional shapes right on your worksheet. Let's start with a quick setup tip. Open the worksheet where you want the diagram to live, and give yourself a little open space so the shapes don't overlap your data. Zoom in a bit if you want more precision. Now, look to the very top of Excel for the ribbon. That's where all the commands live. Begin by going to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is Excel's home base for anything you add to your sheet, from charts to illustrations. Inside Insert, find the Shapes button. Depending on your screen size or version of Excel, Shapes might sit on its own or under an Illustrations area, but it will always be on the Insert tab. Click it to open the full gallery. In the gallery, scroll to the section labeled Flowchart. This is where Excel groups the standard symbols you'll use to map a process. You'll see familiar options like terminator for start and end points, process for general steps, decision for yes/no branches, and data for inputs and outputs. If you're ever unsure which symbol is which, hover your mouse for a quick tooltip with the name and a brief description. Now select a shape you want to place. After you click a shape in the gallery, move your cursor onto the worksheet. You can click once to drop a default-sized shape, or click and drag to draw it to the exact size you prefer. Once it's on the sheet, you'll see handles around the shape. Drag a corner handle to resize and use the rotation handle above the shape to turn it. If you want to keep proportions consistent as you resize, hold Shift while dragging a corner. To duplicate a shape quickly, copy and paste, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac as you drag the shape to create a clone. With the shape selected, you can immediately type to add a label inside it. Use the Home tab or the Shape Format tab to adjust font, fill color, outline, and effects so your diagram is readable and consistent. If the shape isn't where you want it, drag it into place and use the arrow keys for fine nudging. That's it. Insert, go to the Flowchart section, and select the shape you need. Repeat as needed to map your entire process. Keep your labels short, your colors consistent, and your layout tidy for maximum clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy charting in Excel.